Hi everyone, my name is Casey from 𝒙𝒂𝒏𝒄𝒄𝒄𝒄 Properties. Today we are launching our brand new series exploring new development in District 23, Dairy Farm Residences. Slated to TOP in 2023, Dairy Farm Residences is the only mixed development in the Dairy Farm estate. One thing that's for sure, we have the supermarket, we have shops, we have eateries, and we even have childcare centers. With an array of shopping and eateries options and such convenience right at your doorstep, this is something that all of us would yearn for. Fun facts about Dairy Farm Residences. Dairy Farm Residences is a mixed development. The residential units are situated on one end of the development and the commercial shops at the other side, allowing residents to enjoy the privacy they desire. Furthermore, about 3/4 of the land will be used as amenities for you to relax and play. An 84-meter swimming pool that will overlook the unblocked greenery. Residential-wise, we have 2 blocks of 15-story and 2 blocks of 5 stories. Almost all units are north-south facing orientation, which the car park is located at the basement of the development. Parents, you'll be amazed to welcome an array of schools in this locality, such as Bukit Panjang Primary School and CHIJ, Lady Queen of Peace. For investors, the German European School is just situated right beside us. So if you are looking to rent out and gain a passive income, this would be perfect. Here we are. This is a 710 square feet 2-bedder. Over here we have all the Bosch appliances such as the fridge, the induction cooker and the oven, all provided for by the developer. And if you need more storage space, what I love is the flexibility of building in your built-in and customized cabinet for more storage. Here we are in the master room. Over here we have the queen size bed. Next to it is the small side table, and with 2.8 meters in height, you won't feel that it is small. If you are looking for a new launch as an upgrader or first-time home buyer, this development will be ideal because of its lowest quantum in the market. Be close to nature, be part of the transformation. Don't miss out. This is Casey from 𝒙𝒂𝒏𝒄𝒄 Properties. Call me.